On our trip to Norwalk, Connecticut, we stayed at the Even Hotel's Norwalk, and we had a great day just hanging out at the hotel where Dexter was completely welcome with open arms. Stay tuned to see all the fun things that we got to do. We started our morning right at the Cork and Kale breakfast, where the food was amazing and fresh and hot. French toast, Frida, hash browns, turkey bacon, I'm gonna guess eggs.
Driving so fast, I'm just like, really?
You're fine, I'm getting the food. Some of their freshly squeezed orange juice, apple juice. Look at that. Look, he got some bacon. And he's like, oh, and bacon. To a great time here in Norwalk, Connecticut.
Cheers.
Cheers.
You want yours? Dexter doesn't want to be left out. He wants to be festive. Oh, he has good water, huh? After breakfast, we had a great time playing all the fun free games that were supplied by the hotel, and I even played a little foosball. And yes, I did beat Ed. And if you're looking for a little fun, look at that. And then the games. And this TV is massive. And they have a ton of outdoor space that you can come out here, enjoy the evening, enjoy the day, bring your drinks, grab some dinner, just relax. And it is completely dog friendly. The whole grounds are dog friendly. They're welcome to join you in any of your activities. And this is a fire pit, and they turn that on in the evening. Look at all these. They got high tops. They got some low tables. They got some cozy loungers. And then even in here, this is really nice. This is surrounded by all these trees, and it's so peaceful. Look at all these spots. The Cork and Kale had a great healthy menu that we took full advantage of, and we ate outside and had a wonderful time. Mouth-watering. It's a-blazing, and it's ready for some marshmallows. How do you like your marshmallows? There it is. Oh, just chocolate. We had a great time here in Norwalk, Connecticut, and we are ending the night with a beautiful fire. And Dexter and I want to remind you to pause and enjoy life, and we will see you next week. Each Wednesday, I'll be uploading new content, so don't forget to hit the subscribe and click the bell.